Alright, apparently I didn't know we were going to be doing this today, but we're riding a cable car.
How do you put that in your video?
Here we go. We made it to the first cable car stop. Got us like to the top of some mountain, or near the top of some mountain, and we're just like hiking up with the rest. Yeah, so it wasn't another cable car station, it was a lift. Yeah, this mineral water stuff's legit. I don't know, this mineral water stuff actually tastes really good. I don't know, it has like a little bit of lemon plus like an earthy like leaf flavor. I don't know. It tastes good and it's apparently healthy. Y'all, I'm on a lift with no seatbelt, carrying a camera.
Hi, Jason.
Hi. We're only a couple feet above the ground right now. I'm not sure if the lift's gonna get higher or if maybe this is it. I'm not sure. We'll see.
Yeah. 96.
Here's where we get off. So we took the lift thing. It got us even higher on this mountain, and now we're taking like a little trail, which takes us to a temple. Seems like there's a temple on the top of every mountain in Japan. This looks like the haunted village in Spirited Away. We're at another like shrine village, I guess. I mean, there's a lot of like temples and shrines and stuff here. It looks like I'm walking on the forest. Alright, time to take the short hike back down to the lift, and once we get back down there, we'll get some more mineral water. We're on our way down. There's Nate.
Hi.
Alright, we're going back down on the lift now. I'm gonna get some mineral water when we get down there, like I said.
はい、お疲れ様でした。こちらの足型でお降りください。はい、どうぞ。
I honestly cannot express with words just how, I don't know, pure and fresh that water tastes. Maybe it's a placebo, I'm not sure, but it tastes pretty good.
Jason,
Oh, shoot. Yeah.
What?
cable car station.
So we're going back down to the cable car station, and then we're gonna go eat lunch somewhere. The guy that took our tickets to get on this cable car asked me what the fuzzy thing on top of my camera was, and I had to tell him it was a mic. So if any of you were wondering what that was, it's a mic. We just got to the place we're going to be eating lunch at, and I mean, it's past 2:30. We're having a late lunch. Lunch was good. That's not the Denny's they have back in the United States, by the way. But now we're going home. We don't really have anything else planned for the day, so I'm gonna edit. I might go for a walk, I don't know. Y'all seem to like the aesthetic B-roll and stuff, so I might go for a walk and film more of that, I don't know. The last couple of hours where I said I might go for a walk or I might edit, I actually ended up binge watching YouTube. So it's dinner time and we're at the sushi restaurant for dinner.
まあいいか。まあいいか。私も食べたい。
Alright guys, we just got back from dinner and my grandma did some shopping afterwards, but after that we just came back home. I don't know, today's pretty fun. That lift was pretty dope. The mineral water was definitely one of the cooler things we did today. But besides that, hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog and I'll catch you tomorrow.